Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and super quick vanilla pudding fruit salad. It only takes 5 minutes to make. We're Sean and Heather. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. 1 can of fruit cocktail, 1 can of pineapple chunks in juice, a packet of vanilla instant pudding, a tub of Cool Whip or whipped topping, and a jar of maraschino cherries. First, drain the pineapple juice into a medium bowl. This juice will be the base of our delicious pudding mixture. Add the vanilla instant pudding to the pineapple juice and stir until it's completely dissolved. This pudding mixture gives the salad a wonderful body and flavor. Next, fold in the Cool Whip until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then drain the liquid from the fruit cocktail and add just the fruit to your bowl. Gently fold everything together until the fruit is evenly coated with the pudding mixture. You can even add a few extra maraschino cherries just to add some extra color. Now you can serve this salad right away, but it's best chilled for at least an hour. Chilling allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Here is our chilled vanilla pudding salad. Doesn't that look delicious and refreshing? You can also customize this with many different toppings, such as coconut, pecans, or even another maraschino cherry. That's good. This salad is not only easy to make, but it's also budget friendly and perfect for the whole family. Feel free to get creative with the fruits you use. Remember, fresh fruit won't store as long as canned fruit. This salad can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week.
Check out our video on 3 summer fruit salads for more refreshing ideas. We will see you next time with more recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.